In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to make ambient music in Soundation. We'll build a spacious, evolving ambient piece using long textures, big reverbs and delays, and slow automation so your track feels alive without ever becoming busy. Start by laying down long-form textures. In the Soundation library, search for pads or atmospheres, or open the Jenny AI generator, new in 2025, to create custom drones that match the mood you want. Drag at least 3 different sounds into your arrangement. One deep and steady for low bass hums, one lush and harmonic for your main pad, and one airy layer on top, like sparkly highs or subtle field recordings. Give each part its own role across the frequency spectrum so they don't clash. Keep the low layer subtle. Ambient thrives on headroom and restraint. If your clips are short, duplicate them across a longer timeline to form a continuous bed. Ambient music is forgiving with harmony, but if you want extra cohesion, choose sounds that sit around a similar key, or at least feel comfortable together. Listen for how the layers blend, not just individually, and trim start points so they arrive smoothly rather than all at once. Next, apply massive reverb and delay to open up the space. On each track, open the effects panel and add a reverb. Turn the size and decay up high so the sounds wash out and feel like they're floating in a large environment. Use the wet control to taste. Too much can blur everything, but that soft blur is also part of the charm. Add a delay with higher feedback so you get shimmering tails that linger between notes. Sync the delay time to your project, or try dotted or triplet settings for gentle movement. If the delay starts to ring endlessly, pull the feedback back slightly until it breathes without overwhelming the mix. For the low bass hums, you can keep the reverb shorter and the delay quieter to avoid muddy low end. Finally, automate slow movement so the track breathes. Click the automation icon on your tracks and draw gradual volume fades that rise and fall over many bars. Long arcs work well. Think subtle swells rather than sudden jumps. If your sound or effect has a filter cutoff parameter, automate that too, slowly opening for brightness and closing for warmth. These subtle changes keep the texture evolving and prevent the loop from feeling static. Take your time, zoom out, and shape curves that feel natural and patient. When you play it back, you should hear a calm, evolving soundscape with depth, space, and gentle motion. That's ambient music in Soundation. Minimal parts, big space, and slow, thoughtful movement.